are spending 8 months in Guatemala, the country where Jojo was born. We explore the most beautiful places and experience local cultures, traditions and food.
In this episode of Dreamy Travel Story, we will explore our favorite town on Lake Atitlan in Guatemala, San Juan La Laguna. As we are staying more than a month here on Lake Atitlan, we have time to explore this village many times, just us, together with new friends and also together with our parents who are traveling to Guatemala to visit us. In this episode, we will show you some of our favorite restaurants and cafes in this beautiful and colorful town. And, of course, we will save our top place until the end, which is also one of our favorite places in all of Guatemala. Stop number 1, Alma de Colores.
This is Alma de Colores, which is a cafe and a restaurant. And Alma de Colores means colorful soul, which I think is a really beautiful name.
Alma de Colores is a social and labor inclusion workshop for people with disabilities. They run this beautiful cafe and restaurant.
We are here at Alma de Colores and Jojo is starting eating the breakfast.
Hurry.
It's 11:30 but we didn't have any breakfast yet, so we're really hungry and we ordered this typical desayunos with cheese, beans, scrambled eggs together with veggies. Looks amazing. And we have coffee, lemonade, we have this huge bunch of tortillas, all for Jojo.
I'm getting really addicted to tortillas.
The workshop consists of members in the age of 16 to 44 years old who work in the restaurant but also in other areas such as bakery, handcraft, sewing and an organic garden.
We love the colorful details and the beautifully painted birds. If you're in San Juan, we really recommend you to visit Alma de Colores. Our breakfast was delicious, the restaurant is so beautiful, the perfect place to fill your soul with colors. Stop number 2. We are not completely sure about the official name of this place, but it could be Tipici della Toscana or Café Pequeños Pecados. So now we are here in this place that is managed by an Italian guy. We were strolling around and we saw this really beautiful place and we went in, and then we started to speak with the guy and we soon realized that he was Italian and he's managed this. We call it like easy restaurant, where you can have sandwiches and wine, which is something very Italian. So now we're having a really nice glass of wine. Salute!
Salute! Really good wine. Long time ago I had really good wine. Last time I guess it was in Italy.
Very soon we will start with the sandwiches. I'm starving and I'm so looking forward to it. Look at this! Little Italian cuisine lesson. Usually when we have sandwiches like this is considered our fast food. Usually for lunch, what we put inside is a bit of vegetables, cheese and salumi. Usually we have our fast food together with some wine, as we have today. We always use very tasty cheeses when we do our sandwiches, and we use very tasty salumi. Stop number 3, Café La Voz. So we are at La Voz coffee plantation. They do their own coffee. So this is coffee and banana smoothie, and it's delicious, honestly. Cooperativa La Voz produces organic, high-quality coffee, and it's possible to book a coffee tour here. But now we have just a quick stop to have this amazing coffee. Stop number 4. Chocolate factory Licor Marron. We are here in the back of
Licor Marron is a chocolate shop
where they have a really cute cafe where it's possible both to eat what you buy in the shop and have, how they say here, bebidas, so drinks.
And they have so many different chocolates. So we have a cocoa, we have a coffee, we have cranberry, and we also have macadamia nut. And then also we ordered this hot chocolate. It smells amazing. It's still very hot. So I need to wait a bit to try it, otherwise I will burn my lips. Now I will try these little ones first. Try it. They make their own chocolate here, so everything is super fresh and it's rich chocolate flavor.
Oh my god, it's so good.
I love coffee, I love chocolate. It's really good. Guatemala is an amazing country if you love chocolate.
Subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any episode about Guatemala. And now it's time for me to drink.
It's really spicy because we decided to take, or I decided to take, a chili and anise. They also sell soaps and shampoo and honey, and they also do chocolate workshops.
Stop number 5. Bakery. If you are not that hungry and want to grab something quickly, we recommend you to stop in one of the many bakeries in San Juan La Laguna. A bag full of bread usually costs around 5 quetzales. Stop number 6. Veggies and fruits. Another affordable option is to buy fruit and veggies. You can visit the market where you have a huge selection to choose from. Or you can stop at one of the ladies selling fruits and veggies along the street.
3x5.
3 for 5. Stop number 7, El Artesano. We eat mostly typical local food when we travel, but as we are traveling in Guatemala for 8 months, we make exceptions when we find beautiful restaurants like this one. This is another restaurant offering Italian cuisine. Food always tastes better when shared with friends, so we decided to share it with our new friends, Airbnb neighbors and fellow YouTubers Matt and Marty.
It's wine o'clock.
El Artesano offers more than 50 different kinds of wine, so this is the place to go if you're a wine lover.
Let's try this cheese fondue.
Wow.
Oh, that's gonna burn.
Wow.
Can't wait to try it.
Time for cheese and cured meat platters.
Giorgio and Marty are Italian, so they know how good Italian food should taste.
Castellon's another goat cheese, but this is the same cheese like Atitlan. This is aged 3 months. Della del Santo de Bologna, salami toscano, salami Milano, salami Sicilia, salami piccolo emiliani, salami Napoli, salami romagnolo agliato, salami montanaro, salami ferrarese, and salami poveri. Smoked mascarpone and brandy mayonnaise with vanilla mustard.
And what happens if you eat too much from the cured meat platter?
You turn into a prosciutto like Matt.
Let's end the meal with some limoncello and grappa. El Artesano is such a beautiful restaurant with all the little details from the past. The food was so delicious! Keep in mind that they don't take reservations for the same day and no walk-ins, so reserve your table at least 1 day in advance. Stop number 8, Restaurante y Cevicheria Qaas. If you are looking for an affordable restaurant with a stunning view over Lake Atitlan, head to Restaurante y Cevicheria Qaas. The menu is extensive, with dishes like ceviche, carne asada, tacos and nachos. We brought our parents here when they came to visit us in Guatemala and they enjoyed it a lot. Stop number 9, Café la Cabaña. This is our favorite place around Lago Atitlan and also one of our top spots in Guatemala because of its location just next to the lake, but also how the cafe is set up and decorated. This is the cutest place ever. The menu is not extensive when it comes to food. They offer pizza, nachos and bagels, but they have a nice selection of drinks like coffee, smoothies, cocktails and craft beers. This beer is made here in San Juan La Laguna. You have many options where to sit, both inside and outside. You can even enjoy your drink in one of these hammocks. If you love to take Instagrammable pictures, this is the place. We've been here both during daytime and evening, and it's worth coming and feel the different ambiences. During the day, you have a breathtaking view of Lake Atitlan and the fishermen. In the evening, you can enjoy the cozy atmosphere created by all the lights decorating Café la Cabaña. We leave you here in Café la Cabaña until the next episode, when we will explore more of San Juan La Laguna, our favorite town on Lake Atitlan.
Thank you so much for watching our video.
Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next chapters of Dreamy Travel Story in Guatemala and our stories from other beautiful places in the world. If you enjoyed watching our video, give it a thumb up, and also let us know in the comments below if you would like to visit Lake Atitlan in Guatemala.